Hey guys, today we have a small project to replace locked door cylinder on my Chevy from 1977. In the description are affiliate links to the tools. First step, we remove screws from the door panel. Now window crank. To remove this we need a small hook. Now we see the door cylinder. It is secured with two clips. As we can see, it is a bit tight, so we loosen the window rail, which is attached with two screws. To remove the clips you need a small screwdriver. Attention are all parts, don't break them. Finally, we can remove the door lock. Don't forget it to test before you close the door.